AI UGC ads like these are going viral right now, and businesses are using them to pull in thousands of new customers every single day. So I spent over 400 hours building a simple system with Claude and Gemini Omni that finds winning UGC ads and remixes them into over 50 viral ads for your own products in minutes. Today I'm showing you exactly how it works by creating multiple AI UGC ads, plus how quick it is to set up and how much it costs to run. Right, to start, I'm in my UGC operating system and we need to find winning ad creatives that are actually printing to clone our videos off of. This used to take hours and was very tedious, so I've simplified it all. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the outliers tab, and we have an option between TikTok or meta ads. So I'm just going to leave it on TikTok. I'm going to sort it by the outlier score, can be posted at any time, and then the minimum views I want over 100,000 just so that we're getting all the winners. Then in terms of what I'm going to search in here, since we're making this yap style video for our product, I'm just going to go ahead and search in yapping. Click search, and then it comes back with all these viral yapping videos that I can go ahead and take inspiration from. And then I found this one over here, and it performed 2 times better than the average of the account, and it also has an engagement rate of 18% and 20,000 shares, so I know there's a lot of intent in this. So I'm going to click on that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on analyze ad, and this will automatically take it into our ad analyzer to break down the full thing for us. Fast forward, it gives us a full breakdown of exactly what it did well. It gives us the transcript, but it also gives us the reverse engineered scenes. Gives us the visual style as well as the voice the character had. I get every single clip broken down into what she says, what's showing on screen, her expressions, so we can reverse engineer this video as closely as possible for our own product. So how do we do that? I'm going to scroll all the way down and see where it says remix for your product. I'm going to click on that, which it takes us to the scripts tab, which it automatically fills out this seam row with what we got from the ad analyzer. And then I'm just going to add my product in. So I've already got my product here, but let's say you want to add a new product. Select add new product. It will take you to this page. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop my product image in here. And what it's done is it's automatically filled out all this information for me. So it's given me a description, the target market, pain points, objections, USPs, benefits, all of this. And then I just filled in my offer real quick. And now we have all the context we need about our products to give to the scripts thing to generate a high converting script for us to then create a high converting video from. This step's extremely important, and then I'm just going to click on done, and there you go, it's added to my product bank, and I've also got all these other products here. But now I'm going to go back to the scripts tab, and I'm going to select my product in there, and then I'm just going to click on rewrite scene prompts, and just like that, it's reverse engineered that entire ad creative for our product. So if we look at the hook, for example, it says, "This is my entire gut health routine in 60 seconds, which is exactly for my product, which is these gut health gummies. And if we just read through the script, for example, in the hook, it's already given me the exact same hook template from the original video, but for our product. So this is my entire gut health routine in 60 seconds. On the original videos one, it was, this is my entire content strategy in 60 seconds. Number 2, stop taking 5 different pills. I switched to Ascend gut health gummies because it's got prebiotics, probiotics, and even digestive enzymes in one go. So now we've got our script. We've got our product. The only thing we're missing is generating our character. So I'm going to go to the characters tab. And what I did to get this character for my videos is I literally just took a screenshot from the outlier video so that I can just get something very similar to it. And I just dragged and dropped it in here to extract the DNA from the image. And then once it's complete, it just auto-filled all these parameters here based on the reference image. And then I can go ahead and change anything I wanted to. So the first thing I did was I went to the wardrobe, and instead of this light blue denim button-down shirt, I just said dark red denim button-down shirt, and then saved it like that. And then I literally just went through all of these, and it was already perfect, to be honest. And I think that was the only change I made. Then I clicked on generate character and I got her back. And then if I go into my grid, these are some other characters I generated from this prompt. And how I did it to get these different ethnicities is I literally just went to the ethnicity thing, and instead of American, I just said Asian American or African American. So now for the African American character, now I changed her hair texture to be thick, and I changed her hairstyle to be these thick box braids pulled back. And that's exactly what I got. And then it was even simpler for the Asian America. So let me just go ahead and load back in my character here. Now we've got this default character back so we can tweak. So I said Asian American, and then I changed her eye shape to be monolid. And then her hair color, I changed to be brunette. And the rest, I just kept the same. Click generate, and I got these 3 different characters, and you can do that for all your different target markets, right? Kept the option on portrait, GPT image 2, and this is how you can essentially have thousands of creators generating videos for you. So, and then I went ahead and saved all of them to my bank. I just clicked on this bookmark icon, clicked save, and then I've got all my different characters here saved and ready to be used in my videos. So now when I go to my playground tab, I can just select the model. So we want Gemini Omni, and then for character, I can just say pick from bank and select the character we want. Then I went back to my scripts, and then I just copy and pasted this prompt from the scripts tab into my playground over here. Then back to the scripts, and I can just copy her voice profile, which then we can copy and paste in here. And now for every clip I generate, I can literally just change this out to be like this next scene, for example. It will keep this voice block in here, so we have a consistent voice throughout the video. This first opening hook didn't require me to insert my product image yet. Then I put it on 720p, 9:16 aspect ratio, and I put it on 10 seconds long, and I clicked on generate video. And then this is what I got back.
This is my entire gut health routine in 60 seconds. This is for my girls who look 6 months pregnant by 3 p.m.
So that's one clip, and then I did that for the rest of the clips. So I went back to the scripts, copy and pasted it here, back to the playground, paste in here, and then as you can see in the prompt, it says on-screen text number 2. I don't want that, so I'm just going to delete that from the prompt. And then for this one, it does have my product image in over here, as you can tell. So I just went and picked it from my bank, just like that. Just makes everything super simple, man. And then I hit generate, and let's see the results I got from that one.
I switched to the Ascend Gut Health Gummies because it's got the prebiotics, probiotics, and even digestive enzymes in one go. It's like $30 for the whole bottle, which is way cheaper than buying all that stuff separately.
And there you go, simple as that. So I did it for all the rest of the clips in the ad, and now it's ready to edit, which we're going to do automatically with Claude. We're just going to send it to Claude and it will do it for us. But first, if we wanted to generate the clip with a different character now, then all we have to do is literally just go into here, select add character, select on our character, click add, and we'll get the exact same scenes for every different character. So I recommend making the full ad for one character first. If you like it, you can see the exact videos that got the best clips. Then click on that.
Number 2, stop.
And just literally paste that back in, and then you can just swap the characters out and generate.
Number 2, stop taking 5 different pills. I switched to the Ascend Gut Health Gummies because it's got the prebiotics, probiotics, and even digestive enzymes in one go. It's like $30 for the whole bottle, which is way cheaper than buying all that stuff separately.
Number 2, stop taking 5 different pills. I switched to the Ascend Gut Health Gummies because it's got the prebiotics, probiotics, and even digestive enzymes in one go. It's like $30 for the whole bottle, which is way cheaper than buying all that stuff separately.
Now, I do want to show you these next 2 clips here that didn't go right.
Number 2, stop taking 5 different pills.
As you can tell, she looks nothing like our reference character as well as her. And essentially, this is what everybody else is doing, and it's completely wrong. And it actually takes nearly double the amount of credits, where what they'll do is they'll download one of these videos and then they'll click on add source clip. They'll upload it in here, and then they'll prompt something like change the character, and then they'll insert their new character. And this is just completely wrong because, first of all, the product usually comes back looking inconsistent even if you add your reference image, and then it completely morphs your character to be a hybrid between the one from the reference video and the one from your reference image, which you wanted them to change to. Anyways, now that we've got all our clips that we want to generate the video from, you can just hover over the video and then download them to your downloads folder. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the edit tab. Once we click on the edit tab, this is where you can download my Claude skill, and this Claude skill is going to just fully edit the videos for you. So I'm just going to download that, and I'm going to go into Claude, go into a new session. I've already got the skill installed, so I'm already just going to say /video editor, and I'm just going to say, hey, please edit this video for me. Go into my downloads folder, and I'm just going to take all the clips that I want for my video and just drag and drop them in here, and then just click send. And it will just automatically go and edit the video. So if I go into the session I did to edit the other one, it literally just takes all the videos and then edits it for you.
This is my entire gut health routine in 60 seconds. This is for my girls who look 6 months pregnant by 3 p.m. Number 1, you gotta stop choking down those chalky green powders. If it tastes like dirt, you aren't gonna stay consistent with it, and consistency is the only way your digestion actually resets. Number 2, stop taking 5 different pills. I switched to the Ascend Gut Health Gummies because it's got the prebiotics, probiotics, and even digestive enzymes in one go. It's like $30 for the whole bottle, which is way cheaper than buying all that stuff separately. And then number 3, be patient with yourself. Like, your body is doing its best. If I have a day where I'm still a little puffy, I tell myself, who cares? I'm doing the work, I'm taking my Ascend Gut, and the results are coming.
And yeah, that took what used to take hours of video editing down to like literally minutes and on autopilot. So yeah, now you may be wondering, how do you set up this UGC operating system? And I'll show you how to do it in a couple minutes. So you're just going to go to my school classroom, go to UGC OS, and then just click on this link here to get access. And then you'll be brought to this page. And the only thing we have to do is just connect our key.ai API keys. So we're just going to open key.ai, and we're just going to create an account for this, create new API key, enter any name you want, and then click on create. Then we're going to copy this API key, go back to UGC OS, paste it in here, and then click on connect, and there you go, you've got all your credits there. If you want more credits, just click on get credits, and then you can just top up as many credits as you want as you go. And now you're probably also wondering, what does it cost to run this thing at scale? Well, it only cost me a cent to generate the scripts and break down the entire ad creative. It cost me 5 cents to generate all the character images, and then it only cost me 63 cents per video using Gemini Omni. So the final cost of that ad only came down to $2. And if you're smart with it and you just generate the hook 50 times and then the meat of the video once, you can essentially create 50 full ads for like only $24, which is absolutely insane. And then I also want to show you why I decided to build this UGC operating system, because before you needed 8 apps and like 7 different subscriptions, and each one of these tools is like a separate workflow that you had to work through. And I worked it out, you'd normally be paying $309 a month whether you ship ads or not, but with my system I managed to reduce that by quite a bit. So, and then also, since we're generating it on key.ai, we also get a lot of the models for like up to 70% off. So this month I've saved like $104 based on what I would be paying on other platforms. Great, so now you know how to create these viral AI UGC ads, but I only showed you one style of ad in this video, and if you don't know how to create other styles, you're potentially leaving a lot of money on the table. So check out this next video where I'll show you how to create other styles of AI UGC ads that actually convert.